Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can change or add bio on your REDNOTE application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow and you should be able to change or add bio on your REDNOTE app. So first of all, go ahead and launch the REDNOTE application onto your device. After that, you may just head over to the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. And you will be led to the space. So here, you can go ahead and tap on this settings icon beside this profile, and you should be able to find your account settings here, or you can directly head over to profile right here. And when you head over there, you can find this bio section. So if you already have a bio, you can cross out the previous one and add a new one. Otherwise, if you don't have, you can just go ahead and tap on this add a bio and tap on save after you have added your bio, and your bio should appear on your screen. So that is how you change or add bio on your REDNOTE app, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.